Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been working late nights or just prefer a sleeker look for your dashboards, today I'm showing you how to enable the new dark theme in Power BI Desktop as of the October 2024 update. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to switch your workspace to a dark mode that's easier on the eyes and looks seriously professional. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Power BI Desktop. Make sure it's updated to the latest October 2024 version because that's when this dark theme feature rolled out. Now look up in the very top left corner, you'll see the File tab. Go ahead and click that. We're heading into some settings, so don't worry if it feels a little tucked away. Inside the File menu, scroll down until you find something labeled Options and Settings. Hover over it or give it a click. This is where you'll find a ton of ways to tailor Power BI to fit your workflow. Under Options and Settings, select Options. A big new window will pop up, and on the left side you'll see different categories. Find and click on Report Settings. This section controls how your reports look and feel throughout the app. Now we're getting close to the good stuff. Inside Report Settings, look for an option called Customize Appearance. This is where Microsoft tucked away the ability to change your overall theme. Click into it and you'll be greeted with a few different theme options you can pick from. This is a great place to experiment. Maybe you want something with high contrast or a splash of color. But for now, since we're here for that sharp, modern look, let's choose the dark option. You'll notice right away that the preview updates to give you a feel for how the new theme will appear across your reports. Once you've selected dark, click OK to apply the changes. Sometimes it takes a moment for the dark theme to take over, so don't panic if you see things flicker for a second or two. Power BI is just updating all your visuals and interface elements. But we're not quite done yet. The dark theme changes the overall interface and report background, but to really perfect that look, let's tweak the report's wallpaper itself. Head back to your main workspace, and in the right menu you should see the Format Options pane. It might look like a small paint roller icon if you're not seeing labels. Once you're in the Format pane, scroll until you find the Wallpaper option. Click into this, and you'll see settings for the background color of your report pages. Here, where you can really make things seamless. Change the background or wallpaper to pure black or whatever dark shade you prefer. This step helps ensure there aren't any harsh contrasts between your visuals and the background and gives your entire dashboard a clean, cohesive look. Think of it like painting the walls of a dim lounge. It just brings it all together. And that's it. Your Power BI Desktop should now be looking sleek and stylish in dark mode, making it much easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments or if you're working late hours. If something didn't switch over right away, just close and reopen Power BI and the changes should stick. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.